Hi there, I'm Dr. Francesca Zampollo, and as you know, I talk about food design, so welcome to my channel. This video is going to be a food designer profile. I received an email by Miriane, and she sent me the link to her website. I found her work quite interesting, and so I want to share it with you. So this is her website, Miriane Zgheib. I'm pretty sure that I'm butchering her surname and name, but I apologize for that. So this is the page for her work, and there's a few that I think are quite interesting. For example, this one. The wild thyme is one of the plants that is becoming extinct in our forests. I'm not sure where these forests are located geographically, if she means everywhere in the world or in a particular region. So a sensorial awareness platform for people to interact with the plant and discover its benefits was built. Another project that we can have a look at is Maker's Fat Fat. Fat Fat is a kitchen performance based on the fattoush, I think, the Levantine salad made from an assortment of greens and vegetables mixed with pieces of pita bread. It draws inspiration from the breaking bread and takes root in the contrast entity fragment. The makers exhibit the act of making. Makers design their theatrical food and dining experience in front of an audience in order to explore not only the design of the food itself, but also the way it is prepared, presented, shared, and played out. Thank you so much, Miriane, for sending me the link to your work. I find it very interesting. And to everybody, we can see that maybe this type of work is in between eating design and critical food design. And now it depends probably on where these two particular examples, for example, were located and who the audience were. But in general, I think both of them are in between eating design and critical food design. So let's remember that eating design is the design of the entire eating situation, where the designer gets to design not only the food, but also everything around the eating situation, everything that makes the eating experience, from lighting to where people sit, to the vessel, etc. Critical food design is the type of food that the type of food situation or product that doesn't aim at selling anything. So it's usually a product, or it might be an event, but it doesn't aim at selling anything. It actually aims at making people think. Thank you again, Miriane, for these examples, and to everybody, thank you for watching this video. And of course, if you're new to food design and want to learn more about this differentiation between food design subdisciplines, have a look at the online School of Food Design, where you find, among other courses, also free courses that give you the basis of what food design is. Stay tuned to this channel for a lot more content on food design, and so subscribe to it so you never miss another video. And stay tuned for more videos and more content and more courses on food design thinking, which is the a food design thinking methodology that I have created. In the meantime, you can have a look at Amazon, where you'll find 4 books that I have recently published, which are 4 food design thinking method for food creativity. So whatever ideas you want to come up with, if you need new ideas for new dishes, for events, for products, for services, you can use one of these or all of these 4 methods, which are printed into books, to come up with these ideas. As always, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day and happy food design.